Welcome to Realm University. My name is Michael Baldwin, and this video is to take you through the settings required to activate Email AI and to invite your property managers to become part of the Email AI solution. As you can see, we're on the settings page within the Realm portal. So we come down to Email AI settings. And the first thing to note is that you must have email skills and SMS skills ticked. That is their default configuration, but if you happen to notice that they're not, then they would need to be ticked. The next area is to set up your mail environment or your mail server environment. And here we have it set for Office 365, but we also offer Google with the default settings. So let me just change it to that for the purposes of this demonstration. You'll see that the port numbers have changed and the server names have changed. So as always, we scroll down and just save those settings so that we don't lose that. The next step is to invite your property manager, and the email address used must be in your property management software. Otherwise, this process will not work. We also have a couple of other fail-safes in that if you try to invite a property manager that is already registered, as you can see I'm trying to do here, then you get the message to say that it's already registered as a watcher account, which is how we refer to these. If we then try to invite someone that is not in your property management software, you get the message to say that the email address does not exist. As easy as that. So let's go ahead and actually invite someone that we're using as part of the ongoing training videos. Click invite. We get the success message, and you'll see that they have now been added as a watcher into the list. We'll come down and save settings. And that means we haven't lost that. We also have the option to add your reception or receptionist email addresses, as these are used for tagging in the Email AI grid, which you'll see in a future video. And it works very much the same, but obviously you just type in the reception email, click add, and this is used for processing emails coming from the receptionist, and so that they're placed in the correct folder within your Email AI grid, which again, as I say, you will see in a future video. But for the moment, save settings, confirm, and that is Email AI configured. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.